Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have something from Google. This is a Google Pixel 6 with a cracked display, and David is going to replace the screen, of course. So let's get started. So after heating up the front of the device, David is now prying the broken display off the main chassis. As we expect from any Google device at this point, the Pixel lineup is very easy to replace a screen with. So if you broke your screen on your Google Pixel 6, it's gonna be easy to repair. No need for us to disassemble the rest of the device. Just pop off the old screen, buy a new one, and then attach it just like this. Of course, there's a lot of steps, a lot of things to consider, so that's where professional technicians like David is here for. So right now, he's gonna test it. You can DIY this if you want though. It's very easy. This device has not been charged for a very long time. As you can see, we're trying a different charger. You can see the battery indicator and it's 0%. We'll give it some time to recharge. We're gonna put the camera gasket back in. After some time, it's now at least 11 to 12%. So we're going to try to test it if the screen is working with this motherboard. It does. Wrong pin, another pin, and we're in. We're going to test the cameras, the buttons, the settings, and of course, later on, we're going to test and calibrate the fingerprint scanner. Fingerprint scanner on your Google Pixel 6 is underneath the screen, which is kind of cool. It's the modern way of doing it, and I like it. There's an existing fingerprint. We're gonna delete that. Shut down the device. David is writing something after fingerprint calibration. We're gonna trust him. But here we're gonna try to add our fingerprint so you can see that this is legit. We're not playing pranks on you. This is how you set up your fingerprint on a Google Pixel. You can also add multiple fingerprints on a single Google Pixel 6. So change the position just like any other smartphone. It will collect specimens and parts of your fingerprints. Compared to the usual way that we do this, the fingerprint scanner underneath the screen is very good. Very neat execution of this technology, and I approve of it. And moving forward, I think most of the smartphones, at least on the flagship level, will have this feature. Remove the connector. And now we're gonna finally reassemble the whole thing with the proper adhesives for the display. We're gonna put the retaining clip, turn on Google Pixel 6, and we're done. So if you have any questions, if you have problems like this one, just don't hesitate to leave a message or leave a comment. Like and subscribe our channel. If you're not able to visit us here in Sydney, you can send in your device anywhere from the world. We have a lot of clients who have already sent in their device and we fix it for them. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. David and I are happy to see you again today. Till next time, guys. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.